For every hour an F-35 it's in the air, it takes 22 man-hours to keep it flying. When the parts aren't being processed properly, it impacts aircraft availability. Figure has developed an innovative way to rapidly determine the health of coating removal solutions that provides a direct method of measuring the process by actually following the electrons as they move through the chemical solution.
We've got a small, compact lab unit that can be operated on site, and we're also developing a larger industrial SoluStat that can be installed in line with the chemical process. And it can autonomously collect data and performance measurements and provide that to the engineer on a regular basis.
The purpose of the SBIR program is to create new technologies that solve problems for the DoD. If SoluStat or another SBIR developed technology can help your people, you can get it. It's easy, and local SBIR program offices are there to help you.